clear tu te chibai le vekule tuntum kan video a chuanin India Rama State Police Force Mizoram State Police kan tiang chi te khatianga post sang an ranking an laldan an category sang te flobi te tin police na dil dura thiam na nei ngai te tuntuma hian kan en ho le don ani ama sain hierarchy of police in India Rama State Police rank position kan tiang chi an ranking an laldan in dot kha an en taila chumi ma chuanin police te hi sarkar ti chaktu law and order keng ko tu khwale tuite veng him tu ten nia India ram te ang federal democracy rama chuan anthunei na hi central state sarkara te ain semtrina central force te police force tamjok te hi chu state sarkarin an enkol len thunun te an ni hlomani amero chu union territory kan han ti UT entinan Delhi ang te niang chu kanga khan central sarkarin aruate mo thunei na pek entinan governor te administrator dangten an enkol ve bok thriani India Rama police force te hi an rank le an position a zir hian nalak chungchanga po level 4 category panga angin kalpui ani thin boka chungte chu pakhatna chuanin constabulary an tia chu group C le anwai lampang group C le anwai lampang chu constable kan ti constabulary an nia panhina chuanin upper subordinate group B non gazette post ania upper subordinate ani chuanin SPS an tilea chu state level group A gazette officer anni state level annia state atanga MPSC kan tiang chia lu angai ni tichuanin asang bera hian IPS central level IPS atanga civil service central civil service atanga lu ngai chi kha anile tanin anmani po hi group A gazette officer tho anni hetiang category pali ang deuh hianin an rank an position te po ain cher chuan hloma state zonga chuan in ang veklo mai thaya atamzo ka chuan hetiang system hierarchy anti hi an follow deuh vekani India Rama police te hi an laldan in dotin tuntuma chuan kanan en chole donani increasing order in an laldan an ranking kha tuna hian kan en ho donani constabulary an en masataila constabulary kan tia chuanin home guard kan ti te constable apo UB arm le unarmed kan ti chuanin AB constable AB unarmed kan ti chuan constable UB katiang chi kha an nia tin head constable anom boka general duty constable general duty GD kan ti tek anom le bokani kha constabulary an nia upper subordinate hianin group B non gazette post ho kha an ni chungte chu assistant sub inspector of police ASI kan ti te sub inspector of police SI kan ti te inspector of police PI kan tiang chi te khang te khan ni a khang ho kha group B non gazette post ten ni a State Police Service Officer anom leya SPS state level tuna MPSC kan ti tanga lu thau kha an nia group B ho ka chu MSSSB kan ti khang ho tanga lu tan ni tani Gazette Officer chin nia chung te chu Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP te Additional Superintendent of Police ASP te tin Superintendent of Police SP te Senior Superintendent of Police SSP khang te kha state level MPSC kan ti Mizoram Public Service Commission khatianga civil service thua MPS 2 aniang chu khatianga lute anni ti chuanin central level han le taila central level a chuanin Indian Police Service Officer IPS kan ti atanga lu kha angai ni IPS a inziak tlingani chuanin an rank masa an direct entry chu Assistant Superintendent of Police State Deputy Superintendent of Police angkha ania central a chuanin assistant angin an oma state a chuanin MPS an ni kha chuanin Deputy Superintendent of Police angkhanin an om masathina ni an rank kha chu nang deuh reng chuanin Additional Superintendent of Police ASP te Superintendent of Police SP te Senior Superintendent of Police SSP Deputy Inspector General of Police DIG Inspector of General Police IGP Additional Director General of Police ADGP tele Director General of Police DGP te anni khang te kha central level police rank te anni khang te kha anlal danin dot increasing order anni constable atanga DGP khang thleng kha an increasing order and rank and hierarchy ani ti chuan state police emo constable emo IPS central level atanga police stream kha khatiang police category engemaw ber kha deal tura thiam nangai te han en le taila ama sabera chuanin a hniam atang khan an en thlataila home guard ni tur chuanin alo bera class 8 pass tunlaya angai ni tin a neu dang en tin an age limit te physical measurement kan ti requirement ang chi te kha chu nakina MPSC emo MSSSB nuaya naruak te awmani chuanin bi chiana kanon nei le donia tun din hmuna chuanin atlang pui kan soenga home guard kha class 8 pass chintana dil theya constable kha group C kha MSSSB nan la thina constable khanin unarmed UB kan ti le armed police AB an omatin GD pon oma chu general duty ang khanita constable shrimshima khanin unarmed UB ho khachu class 10 le chunglam class 10 pass an ni ngai ni unarmed constable ni tur chuanin ti chuanin constable tho AB armed police ho khachu class 8 pass chin chunglam tan khan adil thei boka tin head constable anam leya head constable hi chu class 12 le chunglam pass tan angai ni class 12 pass chin chunglam tan khan head constable kha adil thei ni khang te kha group C le hnuailam pang post te police na zinga khan ani ta ti chuanin group B chan en le taila group B a chuanin assistant sub inspector of police ASI tang khan ani a kan soita kang khanin group B le hnuailam pang hi chu MSSSB ho khanin la thinta a assistant sub inspector of police ASI po hi MSSSB khanan lata a khami deal tur kha chuanin class 12 pass ni angai ni class 12 pass angaya tin sub inspector of police SI hi chu graduate bachelor degree nei angai ni inspector of police PI emo police inspector khami tur kha chuanin graduate emo post graduate emo graduate tal kha ni angai ni inspector of police inspector deal tur chuanin kha kan hriat angai ni gazette officer chin hanen le taila Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP hemi group A chin hi chu state level MPSC hianan latani chumi deal tur chuanin graduate chin ni angai ni MPSC kha ni civil service exam entinan MCS te MPS te MIS MFNAS ten la thinta khang housing a khanin MPS kan tlinga ni chuanin kan post ma saber tur chu Deputy Superintendent of Police DSP kha kan first post turani kha group A gazette officer a intran na turani police B ka khanin khami chunga khanin additional superintendent of police ASP kan ti te superintendent of police SP te senior superintendent of police SSP te ka tiang kanom le treuta amai ro chu heng te direct ka hatia valu a va exam chi khani lawa promotion entinan MPS a khan kan tling ani chuanin MPSC exam a khan civil service exam a MPS a kan tling ani chuanin kantrana tur chu deputy a khanin DSP a khanin kantranga ti chuanin SP a te SSP a te ti khanin kan chho don ani promotion post ani to ni SP SSP kan tiang chi kha chu chuwa chuan graduate emo post graduate emo wani wanga direct entry a valu chi kha ani lawani ti kha kan hria tangai ni central level atanga police officer in zia kling tur chuanin graduate ni thau khanga ya amai ro chu MPS te ang thau khanin central civil service exam chu IPS atang khanin lu anga yani IPS te IAS kan tiang chi level exam a khanin IPS a khan tlin angai ni chumi IPS exam thei tur chuanin graduate chin chunglam kha angai ni kha kan hria tangai ti chuanin IPS a in zia kling ni chuanin central a I post ma saber tur chu assistant superintendent of police ani done chu state a khan deputy superintendent of police DSP ania central a chuanin assistant superintendent of police ani ti chuanin promotion hi mu chuanin additional superintendent of police ASP nianga superintendent of police SP tin senior SSSP ini lenga deputy inspector general of police DIG te ti chuanin inspector general of police IGP te additional director general of police ADGP te chuanin asang bera director general of police DGP te khang te kha central level all India DGP kha asang bera ni kan soita kan khanin a promotion level ania director general of police DGP kan tiang chi te kha direct graduate emo post graduate atanga direct exam direct entry level chi ni lawa ama sabera deputy atangin emo assistant atang khanin promotion om chonga kumnga kum som panga som ni te khanin service kan nei nuwa khanin promotion kan mu chawanga te khanin atopa chuanin kan van nei ni chuanin dig te adgp te dgp thlengin post kha kan chelve theini ti kha hriat turani hlo han en le taila hlo te thakhop maya ama saberin group c atangin han tran taila group c and below atangin home guard han en saber taila home guard hi chu achang chunin voluntary ang hiani deuh thina wangin home guard hlo hi chu fix tu tuk thailawa mero chu level 1 vela handa taila ti chuanin constable en le taila constable hi chu level 2 emo 3 emo an nitlang pui thina ni chu approximating singni le sangkha jasari velan la a head constable hi singni le sangsari vel level 4 pay level 4 vel kha an ni a singni le sangsari bor vel an hlo thina ni khangte kha group c le noilampang police post an ni group b chin han en le taila group b chin hi chu ASI kan tiang chi te assistant sub inspector of police ASI an ni hi chu level 6 atangin an intrana cheng singthum sangsari atangin an trana ni cheng singthum sangsari bor vel ani level 6 kha ti chuanin sub inspector of police SI an ni le a kha level 7 emo 8 emo an thona azir khanin ani thinani an bultan na zel kan soita an starting salary kha singli le sangriat le zanga borvel ani SI kha ti chuani inspector of police PI kha level 8 9 vel an ni a group A gazette khan ni phalawa group B an ni a ti chuanin 8 9 vel an hlota ni pay level kha a paisa chuanin approximating singruk le zanga borvel ani ti chuanin gazette officer chin en taila state level B ka group A gazette officer a chuanin deputy superintendent of police DSP an nia level 10 emo 11 emo khami level kha an hlo thina ni singsari sangriat borvel an hloa tin sub divisional police officer SDPO te an oma hei pohi level 10 11 vel tho khan hloa additional superintendent of police ASP anom lea level 11 chu singkwale sangli borvel an hloa superintendent of police SP hi level 12 emo 13 emo anitlang puya atlong zong chuanin poisang zong chuanin noi khat singkhat le zanga bor velani chuanin senior superintendent of police SSP anam le level 13 velania noi khat le singa bor vel kha an hloni kha state level china police rank le position omchin kha ania ti chuanin central level a han en le taila central level hi chu kan soita gang khanin officer chin anita IPS atang lu wang khanin an bultan na hianin assistant superintendent of police deputy kanti state aminen khan khatiang khanita level 10 11 vel tho kan hloa an hlo hi chu state a in claimin athat han be seila chan chu central a hianin allowance neu khatam thina wangin atlang puin singsari singriat borvel kha ani be seila additional superintendent of police ASP level 11 ania singkwa sangli borvel anianga superintendent of police SP level 12 13 vel an nilea noi khatle singni borvel anianga senior superintendent of police SSP level 13 noi khatle singa borvel an lenga chuanin deputy inspector general of police DIG level 13 mo 13A ania noi khat singriat le sanga borvel an hloni chuanin inspector general of police IGP level 14 an hloa nuai ni le sangni borvel an hlo phatoni chuanin additional director general of police ADGP nomlea level 15 an hlo phatoni cheng nuai thum le singni borvel thlatin an lalut phatoni an ni chuanin topera director general of police DGP anomle hengte chu level 16 an ni toni level 16 chu nuai thum singa nuai li don kha thlatin an lalut toni khangte kha police rank India Rama state police force tele central police force te poniang chu India Ram chunga constable atanga DGP asang ber aniang chu khatiang anin khai dia chhoda na in cher chuan dan le an hlo kan en ho thei chu ni sela Mizoram ma po home department khan kumsang ni le somnia khan constable post work AB te UB te an am kan ti mo an am te armed force kan ti te tin GD general duty kan ti te head constable kan tiang chin harwaka home department khan anon ti chuaka amero chu COVID-19 awang te khanin an la le talawa pending angin omtani an lak le te po be seila kan boruak te ron zio mani chuan khatiang huna khan advertisement anon ti chu huna official advertisement anon ti chu huna syllabus te tin police chungchang shrim an syllabus te exam dan tu te kal phung shrim kha chipchiar zokin bi chiana kan ron ele donia tuntuma tan chuanin tui mangtha phot ule